Hey guys, this is Mama Mint. This is my giant couponing haul for the week of January the 13th through the 19th, 2023. I do shop at Giant. A lot of times Stop and Shop and Martin's, we have the same deals, but not always. Even Giant to Giant can vary, so always check your own ads and prices in store before you do these deals. My shopping list will be in the description box below. You can go ahead and click on that and just do a screenshot for your own, getting your list ready yourself. Let's go ahead and get into the video. So first off, this week's 5-point freebie was supposed to be the old time whole wheat bread or white bread. I thought I grabbed the right thing, but it didn't come off at all on my receipt. So I'm thinking I did not grab the right thing. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna have to go to customer service about that. And then it's so weird. Everything came back like to redeem your points. The strawberry offer was gone. And then you couldn't get blueberries instead of blackberries or raspberries. Those are the fruits that we like, so I didn't redeem for any of that this week. I might end up asking my mother-in-law next week if she wants that. But I missed the strawberries and blueberries. I was looking forward to that. But anyway, guys, there are some healthy choices to be able to redeem points for this week, so that's great. The Jif. So this little guy's not on sale, and this one is on sale. The squeezable for $3.50. The little guy is $2.79. There's two different dollar off digital coupons. The one I think is $1 off of one squeezy, and the other is $1 off of two any Jif or Smucker's products. And then there's also $1 back on coupons.com on the squeezy package. So it'll be $3.29 for both of them, or $1.65 a piece. Not bad on peanut butter. Nature Valley deal and General Mills. So it's buy 4, earn 300 points. There's also a Catalina running. Buy 4, earn back a $2 Catalina. So just so you know, I did get that $2 Catalina, and I used the $3 Catalina from last week with this deal, and it works just fine. It just has to be approved at self-checkout because it is over $3. So you can roll those if you had one from last week. I grabbed 2 of the Nature Valley. Everything is $3.33 a piece. I did use a different card than last week, so just be aware of that. I did have $1 off of 2 digital as well as a 50-cent off of 2. I bought it, gave me back 50 cents on the dipped and 25 cents on the muffin. And then I had some tracking on Fetch from last week, so I also got back $1 on that. I had to correct my receipt because it didn't read one of the products correctly. So anyway, the General Mills here, same price, $3.33. $1 off of 2 digital, $1 off of 2 on Ibotta, and then 750 points back on Fetch. Total cost for 4 boxes is $2.32 or 58 cents a piece. If you have coupons.com offers, definitely utilize those as well. I think I say this in every video. Coupons.com, when you submit your receipt from Giant, it says personal discount. It doesn't say coupon. So they pretty much always accept anything as long as it's a digital coupon and you don't try to use paper coupons on items. Cheezit. So they're 2 for $5 with the in-ad coupon, $1 off of 2 printable from the Kellogg's website. It's actually kind of nice that you don't have to log in. You can just print coupons. Not the best price, $2 a piece. Not terrible either. So went ahead and grabbed those. Bacon is $3.99. There's $1 digital making it $2.99. I have a recipe for a breakfast casserole, quiche, whatever you want to call it. And I use bacon and it's really delicious. So if I think about it, I'll film it when I make it. Well, I'll just have to wait and see if I remember. So this little guy is on clearance. This is the same deal as last week. They gave us a new $2 digital. It's $1.40. The $2 digital comes off just fine. Gives you a little 60-cent profit. Just buy it and donate it if you don't want to use that, but I use those for gifts. Nivea is buy 3, save $7 instantly. These are the cheapest items I could find. So the men's body wash is $3.79. The women's is always more expensive at $4.97. I used 2 of the $1 off the men's and 1 of the $1.50 off for the women's in the save 1. Beware, the coupon does say limit of 1 for the Nivea. I scanned both of them and they went through just fine. So you do what you want there, but if it says limit of 1, but the computer still takes more than 1, I do that. But whatever you want to do there, just be aware of that. So total price is $2.05 for 3 body washes, or only 68 cents a piece. That is definitely a stock-up price in my opinion. Grapes are 97 cents a pound. You can get up to 5 pounds. You do need to use the in-ad coupon though to get it at that price. That's a really great deal. What I actually did, I had 3 different bags to buy 5 pounds, and and I'm giving them to some family members at that price. That's crazy good. You guys, I am so impressed with this salad. So I thought the little salad thing was like the little round one that's like the size of this sticker. And I picked it up and I was looking at it and I was like, oh wait, the one on the app says it has to be bacon Caesar Supreme. So I found these guys and this thing is massive. This is crazy good. So this is $7.99 with 200 points. You can spend it and you pay $2 for the salad. That is a really great price. So I'm probably going to do this again next week if we like this. But guys, it has chicken, tomatoes, bacon, cheese, dressing. I mean, you can't beat that. That is a really great price. So I was super excited to get that. And then the last deal was the spend 40, save $10 instantly. It does work if you spend $40 before coupons, which is really great. Now, this is all digital coupons. If you have paper coupons, it may throw a kink in it, so just be aware of that. Everything's digital, though, that I used. So the diapers, $10.49. The huggies, we have a $2 digital, $2 on coupons.com, 10 cents back on Ibotta. And then my account gave me back 100 choice points for buying any huggies. Those are always personalized. You need to check in your account under the earn points category and see if you have that offer. The Huggies pull-ups, they are $10.49. There's a $3 digital. Again, I submitted my receipt to coupons.com to get $3 back there. You may also have fetch offers on Huggies or pull-ups. I didn't have anything, but always check your own account. Kotex and the Poise, they're all $5.69. However, the Kotex, the $3 off of 2 is not working on those little black boxes. It's very select items. I'm going to be having a baby in a couple months, so these guys will work fine for me. Ordinarily, I would not buy anything like this. This is so huge. But if you need it, you need it, right? So the 3 off of 2 digital and the 3 off of 2 in the coupons.com. And then the Poise is $5.69, $1 digital, $1 back on Ibotta, and there's also $1 on coupons.com. Doesn't work on liners, just scan the coupons.com offer. And also, I think it's on, let's see, it's on the app. The $1 digital doesn't work on liners. That's what I meant to say. It only works on pads. The $1 on Ibotta, I'm not sure because I didn't scan that, but you might want to just grab the pads. Now, this is something that I grabbed the Kleenex at $5.99. There's no coupons that I have, but I will use Kleenex. We use Kleenex like crazy. So I was okay with paying this. So my total cost for all of these items was $13.94 or $2.32 a piece. This may be a deal for you. This may not be a deal for you. I also wanted to mention a friend of mine wants these Huggies from me. You can grab the Snug and Dry. They're like $1.25 cheaper. So you could always do that also. All right, guys. So that is it for my giant haul this week. If I missed any deals, go ahead and leave those in the comments below. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.